What's up, fam? We are back, and today we're gonna be installing some more radiator fans on my Miata. I actually ordered them from Amazon. I actually ordered them way before I found out that I got sponsored by Mishimoto. They just took forever to get here, even though it was with Prime. Like, they've been taking their sweet time lately. So we're gonna do this today because like I said, I gotta prepare this damn car for freaking when I go drifting. Actually too, I have one more thing we're gonna be doing, but that's gonna be on tomorrow's video. I won't be able to finish it today because I started it today, but we'll finish it tomorrow. We're doing a bikini top on the Miata, so I'll show you guys that next video. Hopefully I finish it by tomorrow. It's really cheap. The way, I don't think I even spend more than 50 bucks. So I probably spent like 50 bucks the max. So I'll be showing you guys that in a bit, and it's gonna be looking dope. I'll post a picture right now, and that's how it'll look. So let's get these damn freaking radiator fans installed. But first, let's unbox this. No nail, and I still freaking broke it. Yes. Okay, ordered 2 of these. There should be 2 10s, I believe, or 2 12s. 10s or 12s.
Them are 20s, man. Nah, they 10s. I bought them from somebody.
I think they're 10s. I bought these on Amazon. I had some good reviews on them. Some Maxon performance fans. And ordered some of these. These are, what are they called? Tap wire connectors. I technically just ordered them for these connectors out here. Not really the tap wire. I do have some that I might use. Not really a fan of the tap wire when I could just solder it. But yeah, we're gonna be using some of these little connectors I need to hook up the freaking radiator fans. And these are all gonna be mounted on a separate like powering system where I could switch the button on and off. So these are not going to be controlled by the car. These are going to be controlled by me. So these are just going to have straight 12 volts and a switch, and that's it. I got one more fan that's coming in for the oil cooler, but I won't be installing that until the next video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these going. Let's get these fans going and get that ready. Oh yeah, good to go. We are gonna be putting them right in there. I'm not gonna take off the bumper. We're just gonna mount them straight in there and then start wiring it up. All right, let's see what we got in here. Yeah, stupid box. There we go. God damn it, more tape. How much more tape do we need? There we go. These people put nothing but a bunch of tape. Ain't nobody gonna steal nothing if I have freaking tape anyway. Alright, these are the fans. Alright, sweet. These are slim. Let me freaking flex these real quick. Yeah, you kind of want to give them a little flex. Make sure they don't break, because, you know, these are Amazon ones. They're not freaking... they're not freaking performance crazy all out ones. Hopefully these things work. I'm gonna try to use these. Don't even know how these work. There's no instructions. Some more freaking brackets, I guess. Let's see for instructions. Not one freaking damn instruction. I gotta figure this shit myself. I'm gonna do some research real quick, because I don't know where the hell these go. I mean, I kind of figured they would go on this side like that and just mount it, but let me figure this out. So what you do here is you put this side in first, and then you put this side in, and there you go. So you technically have it like this, and then this will go on this side. All right guys, so I made a mistake. They don't go in like this, they actually go in like this. There we go. They go like that, not the other way. I put these in backwards. Whoops. Alright fam, so I went ahead and installed both the fans. So the the blue one here is for, you know, positive and negative. If you hook it up right where to the blue is positive, the air will suck air, right? It's gonna be sucking in air if you hook it up the right way. Now these are push and pull fans, so they either go that way or they either go this way. So for me, I figured it out. It's pretty simple how to figure it out. You grab yourself a power source, you hook it up on one side. As you guys can see, I have the black one on black. So I just get my power source, connect it here. This is where the MIATA always has power when the ignition turns on. And then plain and simple, you just go ahead and ground it. Oh, you better watch out because don't want to put those two together. And then you just connect it to any ground source and they work. And right now it should be sucking in air and not pushing air. And yep. So all I gotta do now is just wire it up, ground it, and then use a power source and throw a switch, and then that's it. So I went ahead and mounted it all up, got my power source and everything, little 12 volt. I do gotta go buy a fuse just in case anything ever happens. And this thing works awesome. This is a switch that I put. Both fans are pulling air and pushing it out over here, so that's working good. Thank God this is like plain and simple, it's not difficult. Next thing you know, I gotta go get the oil cooler, gotta go ahead and install that, but I'll probably be doing that at the end of this week. Stay tuned for next video. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a bikini top on the MIATA. I'm gonna make it, and I don't think it cost me no more than 70 bucks to make. Let me turn off these fans because these suckers are loud. Oh, and it's so easy to turn off, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a bikini top for the MIATA. DIY everything, no sewing in it, none of that. It's just someone that anyone could make it, you know. So it's plain and simple. Probably the most expensive tool I'll use is a grinder. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be dropping tomorrow. And radiator fans check. All we're waiting for is that intercooler and we're good to go. Quick note, if you guys didn't notice, the only reason I did this is just to keep my fans on at the track and not depend on my ones that come with the MIATA. So I got my own fans wired up so I could be on the safe side and stay cool. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, or comment. Please comment. I had great comments on the last one. See you guys on the next one. Peace.